Hi, welcome back to my YouTube. I can say that now because I made a video before. If you haven't seen that, then I'm sorry, this is the first impression video that you're seeing. Let me just explain what's going on because I never did whenever I filmed this. This is a 4 a.m. makeup tutorial. I'm half awake in this video. I'm not right now. I filmed this video actually a couple days ago and I'm doing the intro now because I'm lazy and I didn't edit. Basically how my night went down beforehand is I came home at 4 from school, so 4 p.m. and then I fell asleep for 8 hours until midnight, and then I woke up at 1 and then I couldn't go back to sleep, so I filmed a makeup tutorial at 4 a.m. So I'm half awake. I have the same song stuck in my head, which was the "You was at the club, bottoms up when I first saw it." Yeah, that's stuck in my head, and I sing it throughout the video many times. You'll see. I'll have to explain some stuff along the way because it doesn't make any sense. But I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys after the video. Hi, it's 4 a.m. If you don't believe me, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 4:03 a.m.
It's 4:03 a.m. So why not do a makeup tutorial? Oh, the door's open. I'm gonna close it. Hi, so I'm gonna take this Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. It's at Sephora. It's like, I don't know, I forgot how much it is. I'm just gonna, it's kind of too light for me. And just blend it out. Hi, I'm editing and I just saw that I have makeup in my hair for most of the video right here. I don't notice it until the very end, but it's there. I'm aware that it's there now. Just keep watching. I'm gonna get a mirror. This is gonna be a lot of editing. As you can see, I don't cover my nose yet. It looks really orange. Now that I look really pale, it's time to make my... Now that I'm holding... I never fully finished my sentence, but I was just holding it upside down. That's what that was. That's it. You get the idea. I was holding that upside down. That stuff. Maybe a BTW. This blush is like some CoverGirl blush. Looks like that on the back. I don't know where I got it. It's at the club. Bottoms up to when I first met you. My eye hurts. Time for brow. Yes. So you kind of use at the club. Bottoms up when I first met you. I'm just gonna draw a line on the top, line on the... Yeah, I'll show you on the other brow because you'll see that better. Yeah, I didn't do that. I just went and did the other brow anyways. It's okay if they're messy. You can clean it out with concealer. Which I actually forgot to do, and I had to do it after I already did my eyeshadow. Not bad. The other one. You was at the club, bottoms up when I first met you. How did you get up? How'd you take you to my bedroom? Pretty good. I didn't show you the Tattoo Studio brow pomade with this that came with it. And then I take it's time to do eyes. Soft Glam palette. Use the shade Burnt Orange. Sebastian Bale's color. Just kidding, love you Sebastian Bales. Dang. I'm putting that on top and on the bottom. He was at the club. Bottoms up when nothing's but you. I need to seal my brows. Liner. Kat Von D. Trooper Black Water. What you was at the club? Bottoms up. When I first met you, you was at the club. Bottoms up when I first met you. Kinda good though. I have to do it again. I already messed up. I'm holding it upside down. Okay. Okay. You got this. You got this. Frick. Okay. This one's way bigger. I need to conceal it. Kinda good. We had the arms up when I first met you. I've been literally filming for 20 minutes and it feels like 5. 23 minutes and then she gives you this face. Yeah. Okay. Highlighter. It's just the shades from Fairy and Glisten. I wasn't done at this point actually, but I thought I was, so I did a little montage. So enjoy the montage. I'm not done yet, but enjoy the montage. You was in the club. Bottoms up when I first met you. Yeah, this is the look. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 4:40 a.m.
Yeah, so that was the video. I ended up going to school wearing the same makeup and not touching it up, so my makeup looked really bad during the day. I don't know, I haven't had a lot of good ideas for YouTube and this is the only thing that came up. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below. I don't know, normal YouTube stuff. But hope you guys have a good day and thanks for watching.